Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make Thai-style tapioca pudding. Firstly, you want 2 or 3 mangoes which you're going to stick through a blender or just mash them up. 1 cup of tapioca or sago pearls, you can get them in any Asia market. 1 can of coconut milk, and a can of tropical fruit salad that you get in the supermarket. Make sure it's in juice, not in syrup. Now, in a pan, I'm putting the tapioca and I'm basically just giving it a load of rinses until the water comes out clear. Okay, you're going to fill it up and I'm bringing that to a slow boil on medium to low flame. Keep stirring it, it's going to be clumpy at first, but once you can see that it starts getting translucent, it's pretty much ready. And I'm going to rinse it so that it's less clumpy. Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button, it will take you 2 seconds. As you can see, you're left with clear white jelly balls. I'm going to go in and put in the tropical fruit salad, empty the juice separately, you can drink it, it's lovely, and I'm pouring the fruit into the bowl. I'm going to give that a good mix, and then I'm going to add in the coconut milk. Give that a good stir, make sure it's all blended nicely, and going with some optional agave too to sweeten it up. Folks, this is honestly such a simple dish. I love it, my kids love it, everyone loves this. Very nice tropical flavours. I've topped that off with the mango pulp on top, that just really gives it an amazing kick. And just 2 mint leaves just to make it look pretty. Doesn't really add anything. Folks, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to your brother or your uncle. Yeah, your uncle. It's all beautiful and it's all vegan. Ciao for now, see you on the next one.